בוקר טוב, good afternoon, שלום לכולם. התגעגעתי אליכם, האמת שרציתי לעשות היום חופש, שבת ראשון, אבל הקרקרים שהכנתי אתמול היו כל כך מושלמים שלא נשאר מהם כלום. אל תעקוב אחריי רגע, פה זה הצד של הבלגן. Nothing is left from the crackers I made yesterday. So I decided to sacrifice my Sunday and prepare for you new crackers. כשר לפסח, ותאמינו לי, זה יותר טעים מהגרסה של הלא כשר לפסח.
בוקר טוב עידית רובין.
בוקר טוב לכולם, good morning Singapore friends.
Holly Mason, good morning.
We are making today crackers. You see the crackers I prepared for you today?
Wow.
Okay? I'm going to make for you today crackers. Today I will do it Passover style with matzah bread flour. But if you want, you can use any spelt flour, which is amazing, wholemeal flour, which is a bit dry, regular flour, tapioca flour, anything you have at home, because I'm such a good person, so I will allow you to do whatever you do. Just enjoy life, enjoy these Corona days. So I'm Tony Tomer, Food Explorer, and it's great to see you again. Let's start. Do we have someone in our kitchen?
בוקר טוב, עדי אורן, מיכאל גרבלי, בוקר טוב.
בוקר טוב, good morning. All the Israelis woke up today for work or something like this. Do we have any Singaporean friends?
Yes, we have.
And people from around the
Everywhere.
world? Everywhere. Okay, so let's start. I don't remember the ingredients by heart, so I will read it. אז היום אנחנו מכינים קרקרים. We are preparing crackers that are perfect. Yesterday I made it with salad eggs, and then my Israeli friend said, hey, there is no eggs in Israel, what are you doing? So make some tahini paste, make some pesto, everything goes fantastic with these crackers. All you need is 1 cup of flour. So today I use the rest of my matzah flour, and it was surprisingly heaven, okay? And then use quarter cup of oil, half a cup of boiling water, and as you know, you will receive the recipe later. A bit salt, third spoon of salt.
בוקר טוב, דליה.
Good morning, דליה.
דליה, זאתי הצופה קבועה שלנו. וואו.
Follower.
Amazing.
Okay, so I think this is our crackers. What did I put here? 1 cup of flour, 1/4 of oil, just vegetarian oil, but not olive oil for this one. Half a cup of boiling water, okay, and a third teaspoon of salt, okay? So I'm going to mix it, and the reason why I'm doing this simple live, you say, hey, everybody can mix flour with water and make pita or something like this, because I just want to show you this technique. Now, the moment my love Vered Grabli Seedball sent me this recipe, I said, why, I must try it at home. So, Israeli friends, by the way, this is how you make, in regular days, kneidalach, but today we are going to bake it, and it will be so good that you won't believe. Yotam, bring me a bit boiling water here. I hope I won't burn my hands. I just want to show you the technique of how to roll these crackers.
בוקר טוב, נועה.
My sister?
Yes.
Did she notice I changed my
outfit?
My outfit. I think I will need some money to buy new clothes, and maybe I need to go to the mall, but there is no malls now that can sell me clothes. Maybe I should shop online. Okay, my dough is ready. Look at this technique. Good morning, everyone. Today we are making crackers.
Okay.
I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you enjoyed my videos online. And soon you will enjoy some of my experiences on Airbnb and TripAdvisor. And I'm so happy to bring delight to other people. Okay, so my dough is ready.
בוקר טוב, נורית.
Good morning. My auntie?
לא, נורית גאון.
נורית גאון הגאונה. Okay, good morning, נורית. Thank you for joining me. Okay, so here it is. I'm taking 2 baking paper, okay?
Okay.
And I'm starting to roll the dough for a cracker. Okay, let's see how it works. Yotam, maybe you'll help me 1 minute later. I'll do it here, and I'll start rolling the dough as thin as I can. You know what? By the way, Libby, we have a camembert cheese in the kitchen. I think this crackers will be amazing. Do we still have guests there?
Wow, 25.
25. Okay, I'm so happy because I hate to stay here alone. Look at my crackers, okay? As thin as you can. And never mind the shape. Libby, you have a special role today. You are going to sprinkle the sesame. Okay, so 1 minute. Let's do it for one more roll. 1 minute. Don't worry, it will be beautiful later. Okay, so as I said, spelt flour, wheat flour, whatever flour that you want, and even cornstarch, corn flour. Okay, עכשיו החלק הכי כיפי. Okay, Libby, chia seeds. You said you need some omega. Okay, so I have here chia seeds.
Show me.
Okay, no, this is black sesame.
Black
this
sesame,
is chia
seeds okay.
for omega-3. Yeah. You see, Libby, my lives are not that terrible. I know it spoils your vacation, but this is Corona days. You remember, yes?
Of course I remember.
Lots of sesame.
Okay.
Later. Okay, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I want to see all your crackers sent to me today. It looks like a teddy bear. And we, Israeli, are lucky to have dried Aesop, za'atar.
Yes.
So if you have za'atar, bring the salt, the rock salt, Libby. Put some more salt because Daddy likes it salty and Shiley too. Okay? Look at our cracker. The only thing you need to do, okay, before you put it into the oven for 20 minutes, is to cut it to cubes. Okay, so let's do it like this. Leave it.
What type of knife do you use?
1 minute. Today I use, because it's Passover, so I use matzah bread.
What type of knife?
Sorry, knife? Regular knife. Look how thin my, something happened here. Okay, can you see this?
Looks perfect.
Okay, and now I'm going to cut it in advance.
נכון, זאטר זה אכן ימי.
מי אומר שזה אכן ימי? עוד לא יודע אפילו כמה זה. ספר לי מי עוד איתנו.
הרבה.
איזה פידבק, איזה דש.
חבר'ה, יאללה, בואו תדברו.
תעזרו לי.
קרני לא אוהבת להיות לבד במטבח.
יכול להיות שאתה צוחק עליי, אותם.
חס וחלילה.
Okay, so I'm making cubes at the size that you want. And later on, I'm going to bake it. So as I said yesterday, I made a big egg salad with fried onions. Okay, maybe look at these pieces. This will be for mommy for later, כמו הפרשת חלב, הפרשת מצה. And this is how it looks when it comes out from, this is a different dough, okay? So different flour, so it's different color. But look how it looks when it's ready. Know your time. You cannot eat everything you finished yesterday. 1 minute.
Wow.
Why, thank you, Yota.
Okay, Libby, look at this one. My friend Orit Katz shared with me the best pesto. This is the end of my pesto. I want. And maybe with the camembert cheese. Okay, so all you need for this cracker is a cup of, here she comes. Say hello, boker tov, ni hao. Good morning, everybody. It's lovely to see you. We are thinking of creative ideas for a happy Passover. Now, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, Wok'n'Stroll, or Foodies in Asia, but Libby made the best Malay cake. It's called kue, and it's stuffed with sugar and coconut in a pancake. Thin layers, not a pancake, a crepe. So next week we are going to take you to a culinary adventure in the kitchens of Malaysia and Indonesia. I'm Karni Tomer, Food Explorer. תודה רבה לכולם שבאתם. Thank you very much. We will send the recipe very soon. תודה רבה, בוקר טוב.